model kit here, the GUNCANNON from Mobile Suit Gundam from 1979. This model kit was released by Bandai from year 2001, and I'm happy that I finally got this kit from Shopee Ph. So this is an old school master grade model kit from Bandai, and I'm happy to have this because I will pair it with my RX-78 3.0 master grade. And as you can see, even though it was released in 2001, based on the review I heard and watched, this kit has no screws. Thankfully, it has no screws. To be honest, I don't like kit with screws or any metal. As much as possible, I like it pure plastic. But even though I got the Gundam Spiegel and Hyper Mode with screws on it, I accepted it. This box art here is really old school, and the side of the box you can see the front and rear view of the kit. You can see the booster here, the spray missile cannon here, the regular cannon, the cockpit, the grenade on the side of the leg, and the inner frame. And on the other side of the box, you can see the action poses of the gun cannon, the lying or crouching pose here with the regular cannon attached, the hand parts, the grenade, the core fighter, and the core block. So let's start building this now. So if we open the box, we'll see another box art here. Actually, this is cool box art. I want to display it in my cabinet. It's a cool box art, honestly. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of runners, and the instruction manual here. It says here gun cannon and the side view of the gun cannon head. To review the instruction, you can see the front and rear view, the runners, the runner count, how to assemble, and some manga adaptation of the mechanism of the parts. You can see the poses here, some dioramas, the core lander, core block, and we have the optional parts for spray missile launcher and the regular cannon here. This kit is good. To be honest, I like gun cannon more than the RX-78 as well as the gun tank. So this is a good kit, nice looking kit from Kai Shinden, the pilot of this mobile suit, and I'm lucky to have this kit last year from Shopee Philippines. Okay, I bought it for the price of 1,800 pesos. For the runners here, we have this tiny little runner here. This is PS plastic or G2. It says here G2. and runner B. It all composed of the red pieces for the armors. This is runner E, composed of gray parts for the inner frame, the core block, and the hands. Then here we have runners D for inner frame also, and the foot, composed of gray parts again. The polycaps, these are all the polycaps. This is runner D also, another foot parts, gray runners. Then we have this small pack here, red colored runners for armor pieces. This is runner F, 2 runner F. Okay. Then we have here a yellow runner and gray runner, and one clear small runner for the visor. This yellow part for the vents and the scope of the gun. Then this one for the backpack and the gun. This is runner C, gray colored runner. And this one we have a multicolored runner here. Where we can see the white parts, clear parts, and red and blue parts for the core fighter, cockpit, the head, the spray missile options, and I think this is the antenna for the head. The pilot figure of Kai Shinden, and this is all in runner A. Okay, let's go to the stickers. We have here dry transfers, and I think this is a regular clear sticker here behind the dry transfer. Okay, let's do this now.